Last time when we went, only 17 people were there. Out of those 17 people, we came with 8 medals. Followed, and those medals were in swimming, boxing. And last time it was only swimming, boxing and judo and athletics which went. Athletic also one person was there. And badminton one person. Of course it was not a team, but they did well. So this time we are going, like football team is going, then boxing is going, judo is going, shooting is going, swimming is going. Total 6 disciplines are there.
Promise that to give our best performance, okay, and medal is the best way.
It's a new competition as under 21 category has been introduced, and last year it was just under 17. So personally, yes, for you, this is going to be a big event.
Yeah, because last time I was 18, so I could not get to participate in under 17. So this time I am getting a chance because they have introduced under 21.
So here the judokas will be representing Goa at the Khelo India event coming up in Maharashtra.
Last year I bronze medal lost झाले ते आता आणि खूप practice केला, so I will try my best.
As many medals as possible and multiple goals.
Any mark that you want to better? You preparing for certain targets from your side?
National records and personal best.
I want to do my best. That's it. I have to do my best. That's it.
Good form, but let's see, I'll try to do my best.
खेलो इंडिया गेम्सान गोंयचो ह्या फाटी कंटिंजंट एक खडेगांठ तयारी करून वता आनी आमकां सगळ्यांक तांचे कडल्यान एक्सपेक्टेशन आसा मेडलांची. प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट श्रीदत्त केळकरा बरोबर हांव स्पोर्ट्स एडिटर नीरज प्रभू.